Bringing the world amazing toys is what you do. Designing and bringing to life toys that provide laughter and joy to children, while ensuring that they can safely play with these toys across the globe, is what we do. We are Maxim, the premier wood toy manufacturing company in the world. When it comes to manufacturing your toys, it only makes sense that you would choose a manufacturer that aligns with your beliefs. We've been in the business for over 40 years, and we've been a part of pushing the industry to evolve in safety and sustainability standards. That's why we hold the most stringent certifications for our factory and lab. We also test to the highest product standards of each country the goods will be sold in. Like our toys, we form relationships that are built to last. The reasons why these companies continue to work with us are the same reasons that we believe we're the right manufacturer for you. We offer a variety of manufacturing options to fit your business strategy, ranging from Maxim branded product to private label and OEM programs. Whatever option works best for you, we guarantee the same quality time and time again. We have the highest standards that start with selecting the highest quality woods that are sustainably sourced and inspected upon arrival. Once the wood is ready for use, we kiln dry it on site. We continue to monitor it and store it in climate and humidity controlled rooms to ensure only the finest woods make it into producing your toys. We also do a minimum of 5 moisture content tests throughout the process. These standards are audited by numerous organizations around the world, ensuring that your products will meet any certification needed. We adhere to the highest standards for all of our products, so you don't have to worry about it. The same stringent standards that we apply to our raw materials are carried over to the rest of the manufacturing process. We do quality assurance checks before every item goes on the production line, making sure that there aren't any costly mistakes. Our quality assurance system includes incoming material control, in-process control, first production control, and finished goods control to ensure the safest toy being delivered to our customers' hands. We check for chemicals, wood defects, color matching, and packaging integrity, just to name a few. We even do transit tests to ensure that the packaging and product will hold up to even the most demanding shipping conditions. While the quality we offer might be enough to choose us as your manufacturer, we know that there's a whole lot more that we can offer to make this a turnkey and seamless experience for you. To begin with, we're a direct-to-factory operation. There's no middlemen here. By having a direct line to us, communication is streamlined for higher efficiency and better understanding. That direct connection is even more evident through our collaborative design process. If buying our brand isn't enough for you, we'll help develop the perfect toy for you. We'll work directly with your team to create the product you want, from engineering drawings, to prototyping, to selecting the colors and materials, all the way down to the packaging. It's just another reason that our clients continue to choose us as their manufacturer of choice. Toys aren't just fun for the kids playing with them. We love them too, and more importantly, we love what we do. With that dedication, we can assure that we're 100% committed to manufacturing the perfect toy for you, leaving you to focus on what you do best. Together, let's continue to bring joy to children across the world.